Welcome all. We have already started our lesson, that is integers. So few concepts from this lesson are remaining that I'll explain to you now. Opposite numbers. So what is meant by opposite numbers? Always remember, opposite number to a positive number is the negative number, and for a negative number the opposite number is positive number. So opposite means we are knowing this term clearly. We will just observe in term of this, particularly this integers. Okay, you can see over here 18. Yes, the opposite number for 18 is minus 18. Why minus? Because this is a positive number, and the opposite number for positive 18 is negative 18. Positive 52. What is the opposite? Yes, it is minus 52. We will see one by one. 36, it is positive. The opposite number for this is, yes, it is minus 36. Minus 4 if it is, yes, the opposite number will be plus 4. Normally I have told you that day that we are not denoting plus sign in front of these positive numbers. So minus 4, the opposite number is 4. 35, can you tell me what will be your opposite number? Yes, it is plus 35, so the answer will be minus 35. Okay. 38, what will be here? Yes, it is minus 38. 79, can you tell me the answer? What is for 79? Yes, it will be minus 79. For minus 84, can you tell me what will be the answer? Yes, it will be positive 84. If it is minus, you are going to give plus, and if it is plus, you are going to give minus. Now here it is minus 26. What will be the answer here? Yes, it will be only 26, that is positive 26. And now for 0. Can you tell me what will be the answer? Are you going to write here minus 0? No, I have told you that day one thing, that 0 is neither positive nor negative. So for 0, the opposite number will be 0 itself. Okay, this thing is clear for you. So I think so you have understood what are opposite numbers. Now there is one note for you. What is that note? The sum of two opposite number is 0. When two opposite numbers you are taking, their addition, the sum means addition is 0. For example, minus 8. This minus 8 is one number, one integer, and 8. Both are opposite numbers. Minus 8 opposite number is 8, and 8 opposite number is minus 8. So when you are taking these two opposite numbers, that is minus 8 and 8, their sum is always 0. You can take one more example. Minus 2, this is one number, plus 2, the answer will be 0. Okay. So you are always going to remember this. The sum of two opposite numbers is 0. Now comparing integers. Comparing means we are knowing we are going to use either this symbol, either this, or equal to. It is greater than, it is less than, and this is equal. When we are going to use it, we are knowing it properly when we are using the positive numbers. But now for example for integers, what we are going, they have given you, just we will see here. Now one thing you can remember here, 0 and minus 1. I have told you 0 is neither positive nor negative, but minus 1. If you see the scale also, if you are knowing the scale, I will just show you. If this is the scale, this is 0, 1, 2. If you can see here, this is minus 1, minus 2. Okay. So from 0, these numbers are going on increasing, and these numbers are going on decreasing. So if 0 and minus 1 you consider, 0 will be always greater. So you are going to write over here greater than symbol. Okay. 2 and minus 3. One number is positive, one number is negative. Always positive is bigger. So 2 will be greater. 7 and 4. Which is bigger? Yes, we are knowing 7 is bigger. Fine. Now minus 243, minus 243. Both numbers are same. So we are going to use equal symbol. 785 and minus 36. Can you tell me which is bigger? One is positive, one is negative. We are knowing that positive is always bigger. And minus 32, minus 33. Now clearly see over here, both are having minus sign. The one which seems to be smaller, actually minus 32. This will be bigger than this number. You will be thinking, 33 it is, so this will be bigger. No. This number minus 32 will be always bigger than minus 33. I will give you one more example, minus 52. Now minus 52 and minus 36. Now you will be thinking 52 is bigger, but think one, you can see over here both are having signs, both are negative. So which side will be bigger? If you will be thinking 52 is bigger, then sorry, you are wrong. Minus 36 will be always bigger than minus 52. So symbol will be like this. I'll give you one more example. Minus 8 and minus 6. Can you tell me which is the bigger one? Minus 8. Now see, they are having, both are having minus signs. So the one which seems to be bigger is actually not bigger. Minus 6 will be bigger. I hope you have understood this concept, and same I'm going to give you in the workbook also. Thank you.